Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Trusted Gov AI. I'm Dr. Freeman Jackson, founder of Fourth Industrial Systems Corporation. Today, we're exploring how artificial intelligence is transforming public services and redefining how governments interact with citizens. AI is no longer just a tool for efficiency, it's a driver of innovation in public governance. It's helping governments provide faster, more accessible services, making public institutions more accountable, and building trust with their communities. At the same time, we must address challenges around bias, transparency, and digital equity to ensure these technologies are inclusive and responsible. Let's dive into the exciting innovations in public services, the opportunities they bring, and how governments can adopt AI ethically and effectively. Public institutions face immense challenges, from managing infrastructure to responding to emergencies and delivering essential services to millions of people. Traditional methods often struggle to meet the rising expectations of citizens. AI provides a way to overcome these challenges by automating processes, analyzing massive data sets, and making data-driven decisions faster than ever before. For example, AI systems can monitor infrastructure like roads and bridges in real time, predicting failures before they occur and prioritizing repairs. This approach saves money, improves safety, and demonstrates a government's ability to be proactive rather than reactive. Similarly, digital governance powered by AI can bring public services closer to citizens. By integrating AI chatbots and automated systems, governments can address citizen inquiries and applications 24/7, reducing wait times and enhancing user satisfaction. Public institutions face immense challenges, from managing infrastructure to responding to emergencies and delivering essential services to millions of people. Traditional methods often struggle to meet the rising expectations of citizens. AI provides a way to overcome these challenges by automating processes, analyzing massive data sets, and making data-driven decisions faster than ever before. For example, AI systems can monitor infrastructure like roads and bridges in real time, predicting failures before they occur and prioritizing repairs. This approach saves money, improves safety, and demonstrates a government's ability to be proactive rather than reactive. Similarly, digital governance powered by AI can bring public services closer to citizens. By integrating AI chatbots and automated systems, governments can address citizen inquiries and applications 24/7, reducing wait times and enhancing user satisfaction. Let's look at some of the most impactful applications of AI in public services. Predictive maintenance in infrastructure. AI-driven tools monitor infrastructure for potential issues. These tools predict wear and tear, allowing governments to schedule repairs proactively, saving time and taxpayer money. AI for citizen engagement. In some regions, public institutions are using AI to provide world-class service delivery. Systems like automated chatbots, streamlined processes like tax filing, license renewals, and service applications, making it easier for citizens to interact with their government. Policy and decision support. Governments are using AI to analyze vast data sets to design more effective policies. By understanding patterns in health, education, and housing data, policymakers can make evidence-based decisions that address citizens' real needs. AI for public accountability. Some governments audit algorithms and AI systems to ensure they are being used ethically and transparently. This initiative builds trust with citizens and sets a standard for responsible AI governance. Emergency management and disaster preparedness. AI systems analyze real-time data during disasters to predict risks, coordinate evacuation plans, and allocate resources. These technologies have proven invaluable in reducing the impact of natural disasters like floods and wildfires. AI's potential to revolutionize public services is boundless. Consider these possibilities: smart cities. AI can manage urban resources efficiently, optimizing traffic systems, energy use, and public safety initiatives. Healthcare access. AI systems can streamline patient registration and triage in public hospitals, reducing wait times and improving care delivery. Financial oversight. AI-driven auditing tools help governments detect fraud, ensure proper use of public funds, and maintain accountability. Inclusivity in public services. AI can bridge language barriers, provide accessibility for people with disabilities, and extend services to rural or underserved areas. While the benefits are significant, implementing AI in public services comes with important challenges that must be addressed. Bias in algorithms. If AI systems are trained on biased data, they risk excluding or marginalizing vulnerable populations. Ensuring diverse data sets and ongoing audits is critical to equitable service delivery. Data privacy and security. Governments must safeguard sensitive citizen data against breaches. Robust cybersecurity measures and transparent data policies are essential for maintaining trust. Transparency and accountability. AI decisions must be explainable to citizens and policymakers. Initiatives like algorithmic audits ensure systems operate ethically and responsibly. Digital divide. Not all citizens have equal access to technology. Governments must ensure that digital public services are accessible to everyone, including those in rural or underserved communities. At Fourth Industrial Systems Corporation, we believe in fostering responsible AI that embodies transparency. AI systems must explain how decisions are made, building trust with citizens. Security, public service AI must prioritize the protection of sensitive citizen data. Equity, public services must be accessible and inclusive, addressing the needs of all citizens, including marginalized groups. Efficiency, AI should streamline operations and improve service quality without compromising fairness or ethics. These principles ensure that AI serves as a force for good, improving the lives of citizens while upholding public trust. As we wrap up, let's remember that the integration of AI in public services is not just about technology, it's about building stronger, more connected communities. By using AI thoughtfully and responsibly, governments can lead the way in delivering innovative, accessible, and equitable services. Thank you for joining me today on Trusted Gov AI. If this discussion resonated with you, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Visit Fourth.is for more insights into how AI is revolutionizing public services responsibly. Let's work together to ensure AI empowers governments to serve their citizens better and build a brighter future for all. Until next time, stay informed, stay responsible, and stay inspired.